everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Let's get started. To begin with, sleep mode is the do not disturb mode only for Instagram app. That means it automatically pauses Instagram notifications and lets other people know you're in sleep mode. Now open Instagram on your device. If your sleep mode is turned on, it would show something like this on your profile. Now to disable it, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on Time Management under How You Use Instagram. Here it will show the time you have spent on the app. Now, tap on Sleep Mode at the bottom. To disable it, simply toggle off the option for Sleep Mode at the top. And this is how to turn off Sleep Mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.